Hello, good afternoon. This serves as a brief guideline to demonstrate the easiness for which it will be for you to log into your ONR account for Ancient Oaks and to be able to complete your consent forms for online voting and for electronic notice of meetings. The first step to do is log in and you'll be presented with both consent forms on your community feed. Let's go ahead and start with the e-voting consent. Select Sign Consent. You'll be able to read all the verbiage needed under See More here. Select your unit. In this case, I have a test unit here. Select Sign Consent. You'll be able to read the verbiage once more if necessary. Then select to print your name. I'm entering my name here. Then you'll be able to use your mouse or your trackpad, depending on the device you're using, or your phone, to be able to sign or erase if needed your signature as best as possible. Try your best. Then toggle on the I consent right here and select Submit Consent once the button is in blue. Wonderful, we've done that one. Now we're going to move on to the next one. Let's go ahead and hit this back arrow here. Next, we're going to send our consent for electronic notice. So let's go ahead and complete that. Sign consent. Same steps, very similar. Sign consent. We're going to have the verbiage presented to us once more. Let's print our name. Okay. I consent, toggle back on. Submit consent. And you're complete. You will be able to go to your consents and approvals button here and toggle over to sign consents, and you'll have receipts of both of your consents that you've completed. Both of them have gone to management for approval, and you'll be notified once they're approved. Thank you for your time, and please contact us at ONR support at onrapp.com if you have any issues or experience any issues completing these. Thanks so much.